So the product should be meta dinitrobenzene. So why actually this nitrobenzene is giving meta dinitro product? So here same, see here whatever we wrote the product, that should be based on ortho-para directing group and resonance structures. In the same way, here while we are writing the product, right, we have to depend on resonating structures of nitrobenzene. So let's discuss with resonating structures. See, I am writing only one resonance structures here. So whatever the nitro group is there, this is meta directing group, that is this whatever the pi bonding electrons are there, these are moving towards oxygen, means this is pulling electrons from the benzene ring. So that's why it is deactivated the benzene ring. So while it is deactivating the benzene ring means simply these electrons are coming towards the nitro group. So here we are getting what, positive, and in the simply it is coming towards meta position is negative, and here it should be positive. So in the overall resonating structures we are getting the negative charge at meta position. So that's why the incoming electron come and attack at meta position. Due to this reason we are writing here meta product, right? So in the overall topic we understood that orientation and reactivity in monosubstituted benzene, there are two possibilities are there. So based on ortho-para directing group we are writing the product, right? So here phenol, the OH group is already substituted on the benzene, so it gives ortho-para directing group due to electrons donating to the ring, and ring should be activated at ortho and para positions. Coming to meta product, here this nitro group is already substituted on the benzene, that's why it is called monosubstituted benzene. In monosubstituted benzene, this nitro group withdraw the electrons from the benzene, that's why benzene deactivated. So once it is deactivated means indirectly the electron density should be more on meta position, that's why the incoming electrophile come and attack at meta position, and finally we are writing here the meta product. So in orientation reactivity in monosubstituted benzene it is very simple. Identify ortho-para directing group and write the product, and here identify whether the monosubstituted group is electron withdrawing or electron donating. So based on identification we can easily write the product. You can take different types of electrophilic substitution, whether it may be chlorination or it may be sulfonation or whatever it may be. So it's very simple. So it is a common topic in intermediate and school and also graduation and post graduation. Based on this concept we can write more number of reactions. Thank you. So the next class should be tomorrow at the same time. We meet again. Thank you. Hello, myself Ramesh Tukareddy. Today we are going to learn orientation and reactivity in monosubstituted benzenes. Okay, orientation and reactivity in monosubstituted benzenes. Let's start with some similar questions. Right. So already one substituent exists on the benzene. So again it is going to react with some other electrophiles. Then what is the product that we have to find out? So in this case we are explaining we are learning orientation and reactivity in monosubstrate benzenes. So here this topic should be dependent on ortho and para-directing groups and meta-directing groups. So here let us discuss with some ortho and para-directing groups. Example. So these are what electron donating groups, which are called as ortho para-directing groups, which activates the benzene. That is here. Let us take with one example. So OH. So this is the electron donating group, which is ortho and para-directing group. Why it is called as ortho and para-directing group means these electrons are donating to the ring. So automatically you will get negative charge on ortho position. If we see the resonance structures of this phenol, we get different resonating structures which stabilize the carbonium ion. So due to these resonating structures, these ortho para-directing groups directs the upcoming or incoming electrophile at ortho position and para position. So that's why for this phenol electrophilic substitution reactions we can give as ortho para product. See, that is the solution. Here I am writing concentrated HNO3. So here the product is OH NO2 and para product. Why you are not writing on left side means both right side and left side part. That is here if we write numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. So these 2 and 6 positions both are ortho. So that's with the incoming electrophile come and attack at ortho position. And another choice is what para position. Why this ortho and para positions are substituted means because the electron density is rich at ortho position and para position. That's why the incoming electrophile should be attacked at ortho position and para position. This is about orientation. When the monosubstrate benzene is ortho para directing group. Now coming to nitrobenzene. This nitro group is substituted on the benzene. That's why it is called monosubstituted benzene. So let's discuss why this nitrobenzene gives meta directing product or meta product. See here I am writing. Actually it is not giving ortho para product. It is giving what meta directing product.